Today I'm called Scarlett, and welcome back from Scarlett and Sophie's Fun Time. And we all did all of those videos, and now we're going to do some more. So let's get started. Here I have my scratch art, and you have to scratch it, and when the colour comes up and when you're all finished, you can get to another page, and it comes with a little scratchy pencil. Have a look at it. Comes with a little princess in the back. Let's put this here. And now it's having a look at the bracelet. It says Scarlett, just like me. Can you see? And it has a little snowflake, just like Queen Elsa. Let's put this here, and let's have a look at the rainbow pom-pom. Have a look at it. Ta-da! It has colours on like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and not anything colours. So let's put that over here. Look at the little Shopkins. There's loads, and that's all of them. And this comes with a little baggie. And I'll show you what they can do. I'm going to put them back where they belong, and it's like this. So we're going to put one right up here. I've seen these. And I'm going to put a bottle at the back. Let's have a look at what they are. And I'm going to put this right over there, yeah, right over there. It falls over. Ta-da! Look at him. He's not smiling. Come on, little one. Smile, smile. There he goes. He's smiling. Ta-da! Look at the camera. Camera. Okay. So let's put him right here. You've got to be smiling, little critter. Let me try and put him back up. There we go. Now let's get another one. Look at this one. It looks like a sundae. Or an old ice cream, it looks like. Oh, it's got to be smiling. Come on, little mister. There it goes. It's smiling. Let's get this little chopper to smile. This little one to smile. This little one to smile. They're all smiling pretty perfectly. Unless they're covering up the other little faces. Oh, isn't that cute? The other little creatures. And look at them. Aren't they cute? Oh, look at this little one. I guess this one wants to go inside too. This little one wants to hang up down. Yeah, let's get this out. I think this hangs right up. Let's put these right up here. And look at that. Isn't that cute? And look, where should we put this one? Come on, little Shopkins, move over. There we go. One little nice cupcake can fit in. Let's put this little one in. You know what? I've been wanting these. And let's put the little eggs in. Yay, this is going to be fun. It doesn't matter if you lose them because your mum or dad can